Hey everyone, welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a really simple and easy Wheetbix slice that the kids are going to love. This is a perfect addition to your kids' lunch boxes. It's totally nut-free and soy-free and also vegan and gluten-free. So what I'm going to be using for the recipe is I've got Happy Way, the chocolate vegan pea protein. I'm using some Happy Way cacao powder. I've got some Wheetbix. I'm using the gluten-free version, however you could use the original. I'm using some soaked medjool dates that are pitted, some sunflower seeds, desiccated coconut, date syrup, however maple syrup or rice malt will also do. And I've got some chocolate buttons which I'm going to melt and use as icing on top, and just a little bit of water. So what I'm going to do is add the Wheetbix into the food processor and blitz that until I've got a nice crumbly consistency. Then I'm going to add in the remaining ingredients except for the chocolate, and I'll blitz that all together until everything is nice and combined, until it's a nice doughy consistency. And then I'm going to place it into a lined cake tin and into the fridge to set for about half an hour. Then I'll melt the chocolate buttons and pour that onto the Wheetbix slice and place it back into the fridge to set for another half an hour to an hour. Then cut that into slices and they'll be ready to eat.